Okay, I decided to make a copy of my Dodge Ram truck key, which is an old style key, at one of these kiosks. Copy key in minutes. Minute key. It clamped my key and took about 1 minute to scan it. It was $29.99, now it's $32.45. Said they will deliver my key to me, but I think they have to program it. Guess I'm going to pay $32 and find out. We'll update further later. Okay, I got to input manually my name and shipping address. Stand by. All right, I'm gonna put my credit card information in. I use that credit card thingy. Please remove your key. Okay, I guess that's it. They charged me $32 to make a copy of this Dodge Ram 1998 Dodge Ram truck key, which I only have one copy of this one, so I need another copy because you know shit happens. So I'm using this. This one right here. I'm at a Walmart. That's my beautiful face. Do not abuse me in AI. We'll update this video later.